When multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, we're going to use our distributive property. So I'm going to take this 3 and distribute it to the 2x and to the 5. So I'll have 3 times 2x plus 3 times 5. 3 times 2x gives me 6x plus 3 times 5 is 15. There are no like terms here that I will be able to combine. Let's look at this next example. I have negative y times 4x cubed minus 7x squared y plus xy squared plus 3y cubed. I'm going to take that negative y and distribute it to each of the terms that are inside those parentheses. So when I rewrite this, I'm going to get negative y times 4x cubed minus negative y times 7x squared y plus negative y times xy squared plus negative y times 3y cubed. Now, that negative y is like saying negative 1y. So this is negative 1y times 4x cubed. I'm going to multiply the number parts first. Negative 1 times positive 4 is negative 4. And the y and the x cubed aren't going to change that exponent, so I'm going to leave it as x cubed y. Okay, next I've got minus negative y times 7x squared y. So I get minus negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. Leave my x squared, and when the y's multiply together, I get y squared. Next, I've got negative y times xy squared. My x is going to stay. I leave that negative, and then y times y squared will give me y cubed. Okay, and that last set that I'm multiplying together, I've got negative y times 3y cubed, which will give me negative 3y to the 4th. Okay, now from here, I like to simplify this as much as I can, meaning get rid of every set of parentheses. So negative 4x cubed y stays. Then I've got minus a negative 7x squared y squared. That can become positive 7x squared y squared. Then that plus a negative xy cubed is minus xy cubed. And then lastly, plus a negative 3y to the 4th is going to be minus 3y to the 4th. Okay, from here you can leave it like that.